Look, these shoes are just sitting here all alone. Look, these shoes are just sitting here all alone.
Oh dear, nobody ever wears me.
This shoe can actually talk.
Sweetie, you must need more milk. Otherwise, this feels like a dream.
I really am talking. I just need someone's feet.
Mom, if this shoe is talking, maybe next time the socks will start singing.
That's so funny.
The talking shoe was quite funny, wasn't it?
Yes, Mother, it was.
What if this sock starts singing? Let's see. Maybe it has some magic too.
I don't sing, but I feel so cold.